Okay, so we continue with the model of our dinosaur here. So last time where we left off was we had the basic silhouette of the dinosaur by following the image that we were using. So now we probably want to develop the head. Probably want to do some slight shaping here before we go ahead and get started in creating the head area. So I'm going to do is let me select the whole object first. And we're going to subdivide this. We're going to mesh, smooth options box. Just make sure that you have the options set the same way I have here. Especially make sure that the options where it says here preserve seam are not checked. And apply that. So now we have more geometry that we can use to shape our model. So let's select these faces. So we're going to edit mesh, extrude, pressing W, and before we do anything, I'm going to double click here and disable reflection for now. Just move that forward. Okay. Maybe slightly down. Let's go to our side view here so that we match the image. So now I'm going to select the inner face and enable reflection once again and delete. Okay, I'm going to select these faces and I'm actually going to grow the selection just so that we can match the reference image better. Going to rotate this. Just to get it to match as close as possible. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but as long as you're happy with the results, it should be good. Now let's insert an edge loop. Let's go to Edit Mesh, Insert Edge Loop. Let's do some slight shaping. Now we're going to select these faces. Make sure you have those faces selected so that we can get the mouth. So we're going to Edit Mesh, and you guessed it, Extrude. Let's scale that in. G to extrude one more time, and I'm going to use the blue handle to bring that in. Now we're going to delete, and we're going to select these faces and delete those as well. Now if you notice, we have a gap here in some of our edges here. So we're going to select those edges. Now, this might be a little difficult to see, but select those edges. And we're going to snap those back into place. So we're going here, up here, and we type 0 in the X. And you see that it snaps that into place. So we're going to do the same with this, the bottom part. Type 0 in the X. and that snaps back to the 0 of the X. So we have the basic mouth. So let's do some slight shaping.